Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add fade in and fade out effect to audio in Kdenlive. So for example, we have here this video. We need to drag and drop this video to the timeline, and here we have audio of this video. If we want to edit it, we need to go to Effects tab, and then on the search field we need to type fade. And here on the volume and the dynamic settings, we can find fade in and fade out options. So first we need to drag and drop fade in effect to our audio, and then it will be successfully added here. And now we need to drag and drop fade out effect to our audio. Here you can modify duration of this fade in and fade out effect. You can modify it by clicking on this one dot. And for example, I will change position of this dot to the left side. And how you see it has been successfully edited here. So now let's play this video. So I move the indicator to the start and I click play button. It is audio and video simple track special for tutorials 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test. So how you see fade in and fade out effect works really great in my video. So you can easily apply this effect to your own project. If I helped you to do it, remember to send a tip to my channel. Thank you for watching my tutorials.